Hi again, this is Irfan with a new find today. I have come across some Nikon gear. It's a Nikon FE body. Appears to be in a very good condition, clean cosmetically. I did install new batteries and it's working perfectly fine. This is what I have come across recently. It came with a good number of Nikon AIS type lenses. That's what is great about this camera. Gear looks pretty good. Some minimal cosmetic wear, nothing serious. Came with a Nikon 28 f2.8 AIS version, a very clean lens. Then this one is a Nikon 50mm f2 lens. It's a AI version. Pretty decent condition. Does show some wear, so there is obvious cosmetic wear, but works perfectly and smoothly. That's more important. Then this Nikon, it has been updated to Nikon AI. This is a 35 f2.8. It also shows some cosmetic wear but works perfectly. And this one is a AF Nikon 3570. This is a AF lens. It also came with it. I don't know. It's basically for Nikon AF cameras, but it can be used with Nikon F, EFM, or any other manual camera with no autofocus feature. You can easily use it as aperture ring. It's AIS, so be able to meter with the camera properly. This was my recent find. It's a black version, slightly more desirable than chrome version. Pretty basic body, but works well. That's more important. In case you have any questions, feel free to write to me. In the meantime, I will see if I could find some more camera gear to show you guys. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much.